Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And my next box that I'm sharing with all of you is from LG Naturals. So it is a monthly box of beauty care items, and they're from small women-owned businesses. They have no toxins or synthetics or parabens or dyes. So there's no hidden chemicals. And if you sign up, you can do it by month to month. If you do that, that's the choice you make. It's $56.99 a month plus shipping. Now you can sign up for a 6-month subscription, then it goes to $44.99 a month, or a 12-month subscription at $42.99 a month. Now, if you go with the 6 or the 12, you get your first box half off. And you also get a free Earth Harbor Discovery skincare kit that's valued at $20. So with all of the options, you do have to pay shipping. But what's nice about the 6 and the 12 months, because I went with the 12 months, is they bill you monthly. So you don't have to like fork out all of the money at the very beginning. So that is very nice. And I will say that I signed up for the 12-month subscription, and I'm actually having to pay the $44.99 a month. So if you sign up now for the 12-month, you'll be actually paying less than I am right now. So if you like the items in this box, I say go sign up because you're going to be saving money. Okay, so let me break through the tape here and we'll dive right in. Okay, and I do believe there's a theme with this box every month, if I remember correctly. But I opened it up, and you can see here she does write your name on the inside. So hello, gorgeous Terry. You do get a card here that talks about the products on the back side. So again, gotta remember to do that. And let's dive in and see what we got this month. Okay, first item, Bamboo Earth. It's an intense hydration. It says it's a cactus concentrate. Okay, that's new. So it says our most luxurious beloved product, a waterless pressed serum and fast absorbing moisturizer in one that provides a plump, dewy glow with ingredients that bring harmony to problematic hormonal skin. I've never heard of this brand before, and I don't think I've ever had a product that uses a cactus concentrate. Okay, that's the little jar. Oh, and it does have that on the front. Let's see, what do we got here? Oh. So I'm laughing to myself here because I feel like all these organic products don't have the best smell to them. So that's why I'm kind of laughing to myself because I'm like, oh, it doesn't, you know. But hey, you know, sometimes you got to give and take on things, you guys. I mean, you know what I'm saying? All right, this next one is by Upcycled. It's natural, vegan, upcycled, cleansing face milk with aloe vera and neroli flour, plus shea butter and jojoba. Is that right? Jojoba? I don't think I'm saying that right. To smooth and nourish skin. So I'm wondering if this is just kind of like a freebie thrown in, because that's just like a sample size. So that's what I'm thinking. Oh, all right. There's a lot in here, you guys. All right, next item, also by Bamboo Earth. It is a dirt and makeup cleansing oil, 1.8 ounces. It says apply cleansing oil to dry face and décolletage. You know what I'm talking about. Massage for 1 to 2 minutes. Remove with very warm, not steaming, facial cleansing cloth. And there's that. And it does say it's a daily oil-based cleanser that dissolves impurities, removing dirt and makeup while maintaining your skin's acid mantle. Protective oil barrier. I've never heard any of that before. So here it is. Look at the color. I'm thinking it probably has a kicking scent. Again, not the best smelling thing. Not the best smelling. But again, give and take. Give and take. All right, we got 3 more items in here, you guys. And these look like they're full-size items. And they're all by Upcycled. So this one is a peptide serum with upcycled custard apple plus blood orange plus niacinamide and AHA to revitalize and restore. It says it's UK's #1 upcycled beauty brand. This is interesting. So as I'm reading this to myself, I'm thinking, what does upcycled mean? We save leftover ingredients and upcycle them into beautiful skincare. So there's a lot of information on here, what it does, how to use, bonus tip, packaging caution, Upcycled worldwide. We save leftover ingredients and upcycle them into beautiful skincare. Save leftover ingredients from what? Like, what are they being saved from? Do you have another company? I don't get that. Here's the bottle. And I don't think I shared with you the box either. Let me smell. Okay, so this one smells very alcohol-like. So it's drops, so it's liquid. It says morning and night, apply a few drops to your fingertips and massage into skin on your face and neck. For best results, apply before moisturizer. I'm very interested in, and yes, I can see myself using that. Now I still have questions about this upcycling. All right, the next, also by Upcycled, it's a face oil with coffee, rosehip, and jojoba. I have to look that up. Plus sea buckthorn, rose, and raspberry seed to hydrate and protect. Same, using leftover ingredients. So box. And this, what it does, it says sea buckthorn keeps your skin supple and antioxidant rich. Coffee oil helps fade dark spots and scars. Got a lot of scars. Rose hemp and jojoba oils keep everything calm and soft. And how to use it: morning and night, apply a few drops to your fingertips, massage into skin on your face and neck. For best results, apply after moisturizer. Okay, there we go. I am curious about this with the scars. This one doesn't smell bad. Nope, I'm okay with this one. All right, now we have 1 item left. So with shipping, I paid, I want to say $56. So I think this is a really good value, you guys. Oh, nice. Cotton and bamboo makeup remover pads. 7 reusable rounds with wash bag. Reusable, plastic free, and ocean friendly. Oh, you guys, I love this. I love this. Oh, I love this. So there's the bag. And here's the reusable pads, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love these. Look how nice those are. These are very nice, you guys. Very nice. I love them. So 7 pads, 1 for each day of the week. And then put them in here. Seal them. And let's see if it says anything about how to wash them. They're high quality triple layer pads feel silky soft on your skin. I will say they are soft. They are 70% bamboo, 30% cotton. It says machine wash within the mesh bag for convenience and travel. These are my favorite. These are my favorite. I love those. Okay. So value is definitely here. And let's go through the products. So August theme is Radiant Reset Box. That's what it is. And it says your skin deserves a reset. This month's curation is your step-by-step skincare refresh. Each product chosen to cleanse, hydrate, restore for a healthy, radiant glow. So what's inside? We have got the... hold on a second. Sorry. We've got the Bamboo Earth Sunflower Dirt and Makeup Cleanser. Yeah, it's got sunflower in it. I'm sitting here going, did I read sunflower? But yes, so we've got this at $24. Then we've got the Bamboo Earth Intense Hydration Cactus Moisturizer, a velvety balm to oil treatment with prickly pear seed oil. So even though this one I'm like on the smell, I am very interested and anxious to use this. So this value is $22. Then we've got the Upcycled Face Oil, and this is valued at $25. So we're already surpassed the value of what I paid for the box. Then we have got this serum, and this is value of $35. Then we've got our reusable cotton rounds, they feel amazing. $13, which I totally would buy more of these. And then, yes, this is a bonus sample. So overall, I am excited about the peptide serum, trying that, the facial oil on the scars. Excited about the cactus serum concentrate, these rounds. This, not so excited about it, but try it. You know, you need to try, I need to try everything. So that's the box. So this is the LG Naturals box, the reset box from August. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and thank you for spending some time with me. Bye guys.